guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to do just a small harvest in the garden. Like I said in a previous video, not a ton is growing, but the few things that are, we're going to make sure that we utilize so that we don't let them go to waste. So let's get into it. So first up, we are going to harvest all of these really ripe habaneros. Hi buddy. You going to help me pick some veggies? Some of these look kind of bad, so I'm just going to cut them and let them compost in place. I'd say that's a pretty decent harvest. Up next we have some very overripe shishito peppers, but I will still eat them. Really, you should pick shishitos when they're green. That's just kind of the time that they taste best. And I like to fry them, like a flash fry them in oil, like really hot oil. Throw some sea salt on them, and they are so good. So you just fry them until they start to blister and call it good. Now we have a few candy cane peppers that look ready, or maybe a little too ready. Aw, that's sad. That one has a nasty blemish, so we're just gonna leave it there. That one I got too late, but we'll get these two salsa-rific peppers here. And then, does anybody know what's going on with my corn? There's like one corn kernel. And then same here. What's going on? There's a stink bug. Gross. So we're gonna get some more of these yard long beans. Some kind of look brown and yucky. So we're just gonna leave those there. Bruno, you can see him in the background. Bruno, I just gave you a bath. Come on, man. You're being ornery. Yeah, you're being ornery, bud. We'll leave those. Why are you rolling? You're gonna get sugar bites. And I just noticed I have a few red strawberries here, so I'm actually going to pick those. Okay, so I have probably let these go way too long. These are my Yukon gold potatoes, and the tops died off of them quite a while ago. So there may be nothing but mush in here, and it's very, very wet. So we're going to dump this out and just see what we've got. It may be nothing, it may be something. I'm just kind of spreading the mulch around on the mulch that I've already got down on the ground here, just so I don't make a huge mess and I can prevent some more weed growth. Alright, I went and got my pitchfork, so it's a little easier to dig through these. Yeah, I'm going with there's nothing in here, guys. Nothing whatsoever. Yep, we're down to the mulch at the bottom. That's okay. You know what? You win some, you lose some. While we're out here, let's go ahead and harvest some of this basil. The more you cut basil, the more it tends to bush out and grow more. So don't be afraid to harvest your basil. And really the best place to cut it would be right where two leaves come out, cut right there because these two will branch out into new bushes. And if you let basil go too long without harvesting it, it gets kind of woody. So you really want it when it's young and green and tender. All right, I think that's good enough for now. We also have some basil and cilantro growing here. And the basil could really use a trim. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and cut some of these spent stalks off of my gladiolas, and I'm just again letting them compost in place. This one's a nice pretty one. Beautiful. This one will bloom inside. I finally have some pink ones. I only had red ones for a while, so we'll do a pink one. Red one with some spent flowers. Look how pretty these are. I think that's it for today, guys. So if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, all the YouTube things, and follow me along on more adventures. Thanks for hanging out. Bye, guys.